In this video, I'll show you how to install TypeScript as a dev dependency in your project. So I'm going to run the npm install TypeScript --save -dev command. And this is going to do essentially the same that we had in the previous video. And now I'm going to add the config file, so npx tsc-init, which will add the tsconfig.json file. And now I'll add a new file and I'll name it index.ts. And in this file, I'm just going to do console.log. Okay, so I made a typo on purpose. I added a double G letter. So now I'm going to save this file and I'm going to run the following command: npx tsc index.ts -outdir /dist. So I want to transpile the index.ts file into an index.js file with the output directory being dist, which currently doesn't exist. But now that I run this command, it will be created. So the file is right here, but also the double G here, the error is still there. And it's actually showing that it's found one error in index.ts. So that's the TypeScript output. Okay, so we can see this thing right here, error ts25, whatever. So property log doesn't exist in type console. Okay, so how are we going to fix that? Well, basically, we're just going to go right here, hover over it, and we can do a quick fix, change spelling to log, or we can just manually remove the offending entry. And now we no longer have those red squiggly lines showing the errors. And we're going to say no error. No error. Okay, now I'm going to save this. I'm going to run that command again. And this time, when I open index.js, it's showing the compilation actually worked. Okay, so that's it. A quick introduction to how to transpile TypeScript files into JavaScript files using the TSC, that is the TypeScript compiler.